Jama Masjid, an ethereal experience. Standing opposite to the Red Fort in Old Delhi is India's largest mosque, Jama Masjid or Masjid-e-Jahan Numa. Jama Masjid was built under reign of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in 1644. The balanced structure of the mosque makes it an exemplary of Islamic architecture. History. Jama Masjid was at first aptly called Masjid-e-Jahan Numa, which quintessentially means the mosque commanding view of world. It was inaugurated by an imam from Bukhara, which is present-day Uzbekistan. The construction of the mosque began in 1644 and was completed in 1656 with a cost of 1 million rupees. During 1857 mutiny, the mosque became victim to warfare and was badly damaged. Architecture. The mosque has 3 entrances, 4 towers and 2 40-meter-high lofty minarets. The courtyard can accommodate over 25,000 people in one go. The mosque Jama in Aligarh is a replica of Jama Masjid. The terrace of the mosque has 3 domes and the 2 minarets stand at either sides of the building. One of the 2 minarets is accessible to the general public. The 41-meter-high minaret gives a breathtaking view of the city. The magnificent mosque is stretched within compass of 80 meter long and 27 meter wide. Prayer and tradition. People gather 5 times a day for customary prayers or namaz. The sound of prayer creates a serene atmosphere in the narrow streets of Old Delhi. While men can pray in the courtyard, a separate space has been designated for women to pray. Standing through ages. One can say that the mosque has seen Delhi evolving through ages, as it is considered the oldest mosque in Delhi. According to historians, other mosques in Delhi were built upon this architectural idea. Just like it was damaged in the mutiny of 1857, this holy place has faced 2 terrorist attacks in 21st century. Tourism. Jama Masjid has also been a tourist attraction. The mosque is open for tourists all days, and as an act of reverence, the visitors are asked to cover their feet and hands. The 2 events, Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Zuha, attract tourists not only from India but around the world as well. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.